strategies trading crypto have been researched forever, but I'm giving you the top crypto money strategies for 2023. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this education purposes only. Let's get straight in. So guys, head over to fxstreet.com and you're going to see a lot of talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the prices actually nosedived for both of these rising selling pressures in 2022. The top three factors influencing crypto prices were the US Federal Reserve's hawkish policies favoring higher interest rates. Okay, that's what's been curbing inflation, and the collapse of Terra's ecosystem and tokens. Luna, we all know, went terribly, terribly wrong. UST went a bit wrong as well, and the spreading of FTX all over the crypto space just was not good for what we were trying to accomplish in crypto. According to the analysis of Vulcan Academy, the first half of 2023, as you can read in here, actually we'll see Bitcoin and Ethereum facing strong liquidity pressure, which we've started to see a little bit in January already. High inflation leaves the European Central Bank little choice but to raise interest rates aggressively. Okay, and you can see it on this chart here, going all the way from 2000 to 2020. If we move over to Polygon now, the price is at 0.8491, and according to the technical analysis of the Polygon's price expected in 2022, let's just take you off to the all so you can see out here, okay, is the minimum cost of Polygon will be at $1.10. All right, the maximum to get is 1.28. If you're looking at the all-time high, you can see it's at 2.6, so it's about half, nearly half of the all-time high. Now the average trading price is expected around 1.13. Matic ROI 60% buy. Matic forecast for January, which we are nearly halfway through now, okay, is based on the price fluctuations of Polygon, and everything that the predictions have been saying have carried out. So in January 2023, the rate is going to be about 0.789921, and its minimum and maximum prices can be expected at 0.72997. Just check on your free monthly and turn it down to a monthly and see around about where these are, right? So 0.9, looking around this area, coming to back up, touching this froth here. Now, going into February, the minimum trading cost might be 0.7992, while the maximum reach might be 84. Okay, so moving all the way back up to 0.84 and counting. That's Polygon, guys. I'm going to jump over to Vulcan right now. Vulcan Forge PYR prediction. So according to some, it's one of the most amazing cryptocurrencies to rise this year. All right, the forecast 2023 anticipates a significant increase in the year's second half. You can see it's at rank 182. The price is 3.34, and the price change is -266 today. Okay, ticker symbol PYR, but we've got a market cap of 90 million. Okay, trading volume of 23 million, current supply of 27 million. So it's doing pretty well, as well as other currencies that will rise gradual, but no considerable drops are expected, averaging $4.05 in price. Quite ambitious, but it's foreseeable in the near future. All right, we love Vulcan. It's a cryptocurrency, according to Codex. It's a cryptocurrency that focuses on privacy and anonymity. That's why it's getting so much higher, and the team behind the project claims the coin can be untraceable and has unlinked transactions, guys. So get involved in that. They expected to have a minimum value of $3.47 during this period. So please, please get yourself some if you can afford to. There you have it, guys. I'm super excited that I get to bring you videos like this. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.